In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in WP Travel Engine on WordPress. Whether you're looking to make your website more interactive or direct users to book a trip easily, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where all the magic happens, so go ahead and log in to begin. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the desired page or trip where you want to add the button. This can be a specific trip page or any website section where a call to action button will enhance user engagement. Head on over to the page you have in mind. Now within the WordPress block editor, which is incredibly intuitive to use, look for the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Click on it to reveal a variety of options, and you'll want to select the button block from the list. This action allows you to insert a button directly onto your page, laying the groundwork for better user interaction. With your button block in place, it's time to customize the button text. This is the key phrase that will invite your visitors to take action. It could be words like book now or learn more, anything that suits the function you want the button to perform. Make sure your text is clear and conveys the intended action well. Next, you'll need to add the link URL to this button. This URL could point to a trip page or booking form, essentially guiding your users to the next step in their journey. Enter this link carefully, as it determines where your visitors will be redirected when they click the button. To make your button stand out, you have options to customize its appearance. In the right panel of your editor, go ahead and explore the settings to change the button's color, size, or alignment. By tweaking these aspects, you can ensure it not only fits seamlessly with your site's design, but also grabs attention without overwhelming the page. Once you've set everything up, it's always a good practice to do a quick check and make sure everything looks and functions as expected. If you're happy with the placement, design, and links, then the final step is to hit the update or publish button. This saves all your changes and makes the button live for your visitors to see. And there you have it. Adding a button in WP Travel Engine within WordPress is a simple yet effective way to guide your visitors and enhance their experience on your site. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to a more interactive website in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy upgrading.